Hey, food familiar. Okay, so let's get right into it. So I'm going to go ahead and dice up some potatoes. Make sure that you are being safe and careful with this step because it is a roly-poly object with a sharp knife and we don't want anything to happen, okay? And by the way, that water's in there because once I'm done chopping up my potatoes, I'm going to put that inside the cold water. Just a trick that I learned from watching my mom and making sure that the potatoes don't go brown or anything like that. So yeah, just a little home trick. This is why we put potatoes in water. Look at that. Ew. And I always wash my potatoes thoroughly, but it's just, oh, seeing all that dirt water on the cutting board. Oh, gotta do it some more. Ugh. And so I did dice up, well, my mom diced up some carrots. I didn't get that on film, but just dice them any way you want to. And I apologize because I thought that my camera was recording, but it wasn't. So what I did was, let me just go talk you through this step. I took the potatoes and carrots and I basted it with olive oil, salt, and pepper, and a little bit soulful seasoning. And then I cut the back of the chicken out, which I got this method from Anita Cooks. You guys, this method does work and it does cut down on the cooking time. I liked it. It was pretty easy. Okay, so now it's time for me to make my injectable season. I got some salt, some pepper. Let's see what's next. Some soulful season. Then I got some blackened chicken zatarans. Then I'm going with some Tony Chachere's, then a little bit of kicking chicken, and then chicken broth. Make sure that you do not go overboard with this because this is pretty salty. So please cut it with water, stir it up, and then what we're going to do is we're going to get the injectable needle. Oh, add some more pepper, then get the needle. Get it on up in the tube. Go put the needle on. And also, if you're going to use the kicking chicken or something with flakes, be careful as well because like those red chili flakes in it, it gets stuck. So I usually strain out the juice first before I let that happen because I had like my first time ever making this seasoning. It was a lot. So just make sure to be careful if you have something with some flakes in it because it will get stuck. When you're done injecting, just go ahead and pour the rest of that sauce on the potatoes and in the pan. And I'm going to add in some more water with that and seasoning. Just watch just my backless chicken look. Watch, here it go. Hands down, the soulful seasoning is definitely my favorite seasoning of choice. As you can see, I just keep sprinkling it. Y'all, you guys, it's so needed. It's so good, y'all. Okay, and just like that, we are done, y'all. This chicken was so good. It was like a little watery, but I didn't know why, but it was real good. Okay, I'm just saying, this is the real chicken right here. Oh my gosh, this chicken was so good. It was so juicy, succulent, delicious. Anything you want to say, that's what it was, long as you call it good.